Good morning. Welcome to the online class of class 12. So today also we'll start with the matrices. Already we have discussed two exercises of matrices. So today we will discuss a special type of operation on matrices. Today we will discuss one special operation on matrices. That is the transpose of a matrix. How the transpose of a matrix can be obtained. Suppose without going to definition, directly we will go to one example. Suppose A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, K. This is a matrix of order 3 by 3 of order 3. So if we have to find out A transpose means A dash, or you can write it as A to the power T, or these are the two symbols, either A to the power T or A dash. These two are the symbol for transpose. So for transpose of a matrix, you have to sense this is a row. This is the first row. So this is the second row. This is the third row. So first row elements are A, B, C. This is the first row element. So this first row you write as first column. First row you write as first column. Second row element D, E, F. Second row, it is row here, but in transpose it will be column. For transpose of a matrix, you have to sense row into column. So this is second row, so I have written as second column. Third row I have written as third column. So this is the transpose of a matrix. Row you have to sense into column. So this will also be a matrix of order 3. So let us discuss one another example of transpose. If you sense row to column or column to row, we get the transpose of a matrix. Suppose A 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a matrix of order 2 rows 3 column. 2 rows 3 column. So if I have to find out A transpose, then row I have to sense into column. This is the first row, so I will write as column 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. This is the second row, I will write it as column 6, 7, 8. So this is a transpose. Now this is of order 2 by 3, so it will be of order 3 by 2. So this is a transpose of this matrix. Now suppose this matrix we write as B. Suppose let us consider this matrix as B. Then again B transpose if I find out, then this is the first row. This is the first row of B, 2, 6. So I will write as column 2, 6. This is the second row, I will write as column. This is the third row, again I will write as column. So what we got? We got this one as 2 by 3 order, and this is A. This is the original matrix A. And what is B? A transpose. So A transpose is always A. So this is very important property. A transpose is always A. You note it down if you remember this one. That A transpose is always A. So how we have understood the transpose, now we will discuss some properties of transpose. So properties of transpose of a matrix. So we'll discuss some property. First property is A transpose. Transpose is always A. So already I have proved that one. Second, K A transpose is always K A transpose, where K is a constant. So example, if 2A I write transpose, it will be 2A transpose. So this will be equal to 2A transpose. So if we take suppose one matrix, we will take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 by 3. So now I'll multiply here twice A. Each of the element we will multiply with 2. Then this one we will take transpose 4, 8, 12, 6, 10, 14, 6, 10, 14. So this one we got as 2A transpose. Now if I find out A transpose we will get 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6 and 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. Now twice A transpose will be 2 you have to multiply with each element. So 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, which is equal to 2A transpose. So we have proved this one, that KA transpose is K into A transpose. Third property is A plus B. A plus B transpose is always A transpose plus B transpose. This one you can prove and see at home. You can try. You take any two matrix A and B of the same type. That means their A order and B order should be same. Then you add and find the transpose. Then you have to find the transpose of A transpose and B transpose individually, and you add. Then you will get these two as equal. So number 4 property will go AB transpose. This is most important property. B transpose A transpose. So this is very important. AB transpose is always B transpose plus A transpose. So this is very important property. So the proof of this property, we will see why it is equal. We will discuss in the next video. So after this much, hope you have understood well about the transpose. You got the elementary idea about what is mean by a transpose of a matrix. So in the next video, we will prove this one. So thank you.